Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs this week. They're going to be quick and easy, and our first one is going to be this lovely little mailbox, so let's go ahead and get started. I thought I'd give you two different angles so you can see a little bit better. So, all we are going to be using is this adorable little mini mailbox here. We also have this little pedestal. I think I found this one at Target, but I have seen them at the Dollar Tree. And they're just for little like trinkets or cupcakes or whatever you choose. But of course we're going to use that. And then the little flowers from the Dollar Tree. And they've got these little guys on them. So I pulled those off because we're going to be using one of those today. Again, quick and easy. You guys are not going to believe it. So we're just going to take this guy here, and what are we going to do in true Beauty and the Stamper fashion? We're going to turn that upside down. So I must say, I am going to grab a red marker. This one happens to be from Stampin' Up, but you can use any marker you want. And I'm just going to color in right around the edges, just a little bit on the sides, because there tends to be a little bit that could peek out, and it's really very minute, but I like to make sure I have all my bases covered. So you could see here that it's just a little bit, just a very little bit, and that way when I put this on, you're not going to see any reds on the sides here. Or, I'm sorry, any of the white. Because if I turn it sideways, you could probably see a little bit of white there. But when you turn it this way, let's get that on straight, you really can't see too much there. So, we've got that down. Next thing we're going to do is get out our trusty glue gun. And we are going to glue this little guy right down there. I'm changing out the stick, so it might be a little wonky. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to put enough because I want to make sure that this sticks. And this is going to be for just a little teeny tiny tray there. We are going to make sure we get it where we want it, on the center. Oh, there we go. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? So adorable. Now, we're going to find where our front is, which is this side here. And we want to put a little bit of these guys down because they are just so cute. So I'm going to just take my scissors there, and I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm going to hot glue right on here. And again, I'm going to put enough. We're going to flip that guy over and stick him right on the bottom. And I'm just going to hold that into place for a brief second. And oh my goodness, this is tier tray ready here. See how cute that is? Adorable. Oh my gosh. So that is it, you guys. Super cute. I cannot wait for my little grandchildren to put their letters in there. That'll be waiting for them. And then we'll put this little guy up and we will get some letters for Santa. All right, beauties. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. We are going to be having Christmas every day for the next week for sure, and they're going to be quick and easy little videos, but I just want to spend Christmas with you, and I hope you guys are enjoying mine. If you are, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you later. Bye!